What you know about day trading on a Monday? What's going on, traders? It's Jerremy Newsome with your Monday Real Life Stock Review. Looking at the broader markets today, SPY really just hanging out. Pretty small candle, honestly. Nothing really to report, nothing to talk about. Trend is still bullish, looks cool. I don't know. Keep the grind alive, I guess. Overall trend, bullish. We're still bullish. Is that a perfect inside candle? Oh, man. Perfect inside candle today. If it breaks out, it's going to go higher tomorrow. Enjoy. Here's the stocks that I want to review for today. I had a request for Fiverr, FVRR. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a good, great buy low, sell high location. Fiverr did great on earnings. It's a great company. I still use them. I know exactly how they make money. They were down here back in May, just a few months ago, after earnings again, and they bounced. So buy low, sell high on Fiverr. Also, if you are an option seller, bull put spreads and or put sales on Fiverr are going to be looking fresh around that 140 area as well. Buy low, sell high, looks good. Zoom, cute little candle today on Zoom, very, very small little hammer. Overall trend is bullish. I like the hammer a lot from August the 2nd. I do have 78 shares of Zoom as of now. I keep accumulating about 2 a week for the last year and some change because I want to be an owner rather than just a consumer. We use Zoom all the time. Daily chart is a little sideways. Weekly chart looks kind of cool. Again, I'm taking it slow. Nothing crazy, fiercely interesting, but just accumulating, buying. I do have some, and I will have more if it goes higher. Coinbase, one of the best gaps in the market today. Post in the comment section below and let me know why you think Coinbase was the best gap of the day. If you get it correct, you might get a prize. Anyway, phenomenal open on Coinbase, and I do have positions in Coinbase. This is obviously a very, very clean sell-off after the DPO, aka IPO, aka direct public offering, and then just accumulation. This is Dow Theory 101. And right now we are in a 1, 2, 3. Let's see what happens on earnings. We'll get to wave 4, and then we'll probably go up into 310 again, where I will most likely sell the accumulated shares I've had on Coinbase and lock in a little bit of profit. I do have tons and tons of Ethereum. Coinbase, here's my targets on Ethereum, 3447.17 and 4062.34. Be bullish, buy the dip, keep holding, looks great. Upwork, I get a lot of questions about Upwork today. It is a one white soldier off of the 200 simple. I am in it, and I'm in pretty much as I want to be in right now. Although, if we do close below the candle that came in today and below the 200 simple moving average, I will absolutely buy some protection. So if we close below here, I'm going to buy some 45 puts for September, and just in case. I mean, this does look a little bit like a double top. Now, granted, the exact same pattern came in over here, and we ended up bouncing, so I'm not too stressed out about it. Realistically, if we can chop around and trade sideways, this expires worthless, and I'll sell probably a 65 or 70 for September or October again. I'll sit back, wait it out. Upwork, still one of my larger positions, depending on the day and the week, realistically. But, yep, I'm in it. Buy low, sell high. Great looking candle. Tesla, nice gap. This was my analysis on Tesla, and I definitely did buy some positions on Friday. I bought that dip. Today, new white soldier, bullish gap and go, high wave candle, a little bit of a rough Morningstar reversal pattern. Essentially, I'm still bullish on Tesla. I still have bullish positions on Tesla. If it can make money when Tesla goes up, I'm probably in it. So, great gap. I like the overall trend today. Things are looking pretty. Be bullish on Tesla, buy the dip, stay long. NCTY was one of my more profitable trades of the day. This was a swing trade that I got in based on this inside candle right here. This one was a little bit more than a 4R swing trade. Again, playing that inside candle, so this is about what it looked like right here. And was able to add to it when it broke out the other day, and I was able to sell a little bit at these prices. So it was a really, really good trade on NCTY. Obviously got lucky, but I don't think anyone in the world did not know how to play that volume, that gap, at that support with that type of double bottom. Easiest setup in the world. And last but not least, speaking of easiest setup, HOOD, Robinhood, inside candle, double inside candle. I got an entry here, I got a stop here, I got a target here, and I will sell some puts if it goes down lower. Right now, there's not tons and tons of premium on Robinhood, but ladies and gentlemen, please keep your eyes peeled for a breakout on this one. She looks like she's ready to go. All right, that's about it for me. Thanks so much for tuning in. You rock. And until next time, love life, live life, and trade it. I will see you on Wednesday for your next stock review. Bye.